Hey everyone, in today's video I would like to share with you some ideas on how to help your child build his confidence. But before to begin, let's see what confidence it is. Well, self-confidence is a set of beliefs and feelings that your child has about himself or herself. Why self-confidence it is important? There are lots of benefits of being a more confident person, and I'm going to share with you some of the benefits. Confidence helps children to handle the ups and downs of life, helps children face the life challenges. Confidence helps children trying new things. Confidence helps children keep trying in the face of obstacles. Confidence helps children interact well with others, make friends easily. And the most important, confidence helps children, supports children's ability to handle or deal with bullies, to stand up for themselves. Being confident, it is important for happiness, mental health, and for future success. Now, children are sensitive and influenced by the world around them. Providing encouragement, it is crucial to your child level of confidence. All children need support from parents and adults. They also need to learn how to be independent. However, providing support to children, children will be more confident. Now, in order to help our children build their confidence, there are some things that we need to avoid. There are some things that children do not want from us. So one of the things that you need to avoid is to make your child think that your love is based on his performance in school, sports, and in other activities. That what it will help your child build his confidence is knowing that you love him unconditional. So show that your love it is unconditional. Remember this, no one it is perfect. So accept the idea that your child will do the right things, will be successful sometimes, will behave the way that you want sometimes, but sometimes your child will not behave the way that you want. Your child will make mistakes. So he needs to know that you love him no matter what. Express how your love is there no matter what happens. This will make the child feel more safe and secure with himself. Tell him that you love him and make a point to talk about how much you love him. Make a point to talk about your love to him often. Use words or hugs. Another thing that children don't need from us is to compare them with others. This will ruin child self-esteem. So avoid comparing your child to others, again, by fostering unconditional love and acceptance. If your child doesn't behave the way that you want, if your child gets a bad grade on a test instead of a high grade, don't compare the child to his sister, brother, neighbor, colleague. Instead, provide encouragement and ask the child if they need support, what they need to do better next time. Now, there are some things that children need from us in order to help them build their confidence. And one of the things that it will help your child build his confidence, is to identify what are his beliefs, what she or he thinks about himself. This is a very important step in order to help children build confidence. When we know what area they struggle, when we know what area we need to work, it will be very useful, because when we know this, we can help them to challenge, to shift those limiting beliefs. We can help them to replace those negative thoughts with more helpful, empowering thoughts. And you can ask questions like, what is one thing that you cannot do? Why do you think you cannot do it? What are your reasons for not feeling confident about doing it? Another thing that it will help your child build his confidence is to allow your child to find solutions to his own problems. When a child can solve their own problems, it makes the child feel successful, because they are the ones He's the one who came up with the idea and solved the problem. The problem gone away. This is very, very empowering. So allow your child to find solutions to his problems. Another thing that it will help is to convince your child to make positive remarks about himself. It might be tough at the beginning, at first, but self-talk, it is a great way to stay in a good mind state. And if you model positive self-talk at home, then the child will learn from you. He will learn how to do it and he will feel comfortable doing it. The last idea is to encourage your child to make decisions for himself. Making decisions empowers children and shows to children that you trust them with them making a choice. When a child learns to make decisions, also show to the child that he is responsible, and this makes him feel good. These are my ideas for today. I hope these ideas it will help you, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.